contract was not signed in 2021. Clarify what you mean by 2021. The grant, that was, I think, was talking about grant disbursement date. Yes. Yeah.
That's a loan agreement.
The loan agreement. Grant agreement. JICA is correcting you. It's not loan, it's grant agreement.
What is the grant?
Yes. Grant means that JICA is taking care of everything. Well, yes. So we want to take this opportunity as a minister to thank the Japanese government and through JICA for this very, very important partnership which we're experiencing now. This grant, of course, is going to be a game changer in the region. As you know, that region is highly infested with refugees, and there's been a lot of heavy traffic of trucks supplying the refugees, and these people have been finding a challenge maintaining those roads because of the repeated traffic. But now with these two projects, this Arua Yumbe and then the Yumbe Koboko Moyo, it will make a very big difference. And I think also the life of the people in Yumbe will change. So we shall possibly be left with only the one from Yumbe going down to Bidibidi, down to Obongi. That's what we shall be working on, maybe in future. And then maybe also the one of the coming from Pakwach, and the one of yes. Ranopi Moyo is already more or less, we are going to, that is more or less done. But there is that other camp which is the other camp down in Rhino Camp. Yes, the access to Rhino Camp. That could be the challenges which we shall be left with. Otherwise, West Nile, I think we have no reason to say for a long time you have, even your airport now is a class B. So we want to thank you very much, JICA. We still have other things to discuss, you know, about the Karuma Bridge.
This event represents our shared commitment to driving impactful change, especially in the region. JICA's support towards the development of refugee hosting communities has been ongoing for many years. We have a lot of projects in West Nile region. For example, we are supporting the all of 12 districts in terms of in light of the capacity development for integrated planning. Integrated planning means planning both for refugee and host communities. Yes, this is very important. And also, we are going to start the agroforestry project in West Nile region. And our next portfolio, the pipeline is the Karuma Bridge, as you know. So we are very much committed to
a new bridge, not the
yes,
old one.
not the old one.
Yeah.
New bridge, not committed yet. However, we are just prepared all and going. Yeah, we are just awaiting the signing. Hopefully next very soon. Yes. So. Yes, JICA is very much committed to the development of West Nile region because the Japanese government, together with the Uganda government, hosted the Global Refugee Forum. Yes, global held in December 2023, and in the Global Refugee Forum, of course, together with the government of Uganda, yeah, Japanese government committed the peace, the support to the refugee and host communities. So this project is kind of one of our contributions to the peace buildings in the West Nile region. Yes, I'm very happy to attend this grateful moment. Thank you very much.
Who's speaking on behalf of the contractor? We want to have a commitment from the contractor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, yes. Thank you. So, thank you for bearing with us.
Okay.